Welcome to day 2.
WHX Cape Town.
Hello and welcome back to WHX Cape Town and WHX Labs Cape Town 2025. Now, day 2 was nothing short of incredible. The energy from day 1 didn't just continue, it skyrocketed. Exhibition halls were alive with conversations and cutting-edge showcases from Siemens Healthineers, Beckman Coulter, Radiometer, Draeger, Fujifilm, Amazon, and so much more. The momentum, unstoppable. Let's hear from some of our exhibitors.
Well, we really want to have exposed our brand, our products, have discussions with our distributors and our customers face-to-face, because that ultimately makes the difference, is that face-to-face discussion.
It's important because every year it's coming bigger and bigger. There is much more big company coming. So we meet new customers, we get new projects. So for us it's very important to come each year.
Day 2's conferences hit all the right notes, focusing on mental health, quality management and patient safety and lab medicine. Now, these sessions sparked powerful collaboration, learning and growth among healthcare and lab professionals. But WHX Cape Town is more than just sessions, it's about community. We celebrated our passionate show advocates with exciting prizes, recognizing their commitment to building the future of healthcare in Africa. Now, don't forget to capture your moments, snap a photo with our hashtag letters, tag us on social media, and you might be featured online. WHX Cape Town isn't just a trade show, it's a launchpad for innovation, partnerships, and real progress in healthcare. There is still time to experience it. Registration is free and doors are open. Day 2 was extraordinary, but day 3 is the grand finale. Don't miss this historic moment at WHX Cape Town and WHX Labs Cape Town 2025. See you here.